For the last few months, you've seen me painting a few random sort of NPCs and things, stuff I found on Temu for really cheap. And among them has been this, and it's been sat on the side for ages, and I keep meaning to paint it, but in the end I've wanted to save it and make a video to itself. This is Vi from Arcane. The reason I held off painting her and including her or just doing a video on her own is because I wanted something else to go with it, and I finally found it. Caitlyn and Vi, the couple in Arcane, the best couple. Are they the only couple? I can't think. No, there's the princess, isn't there? To me, these are one of my favourite couples. I really root for Cupcake, as the ship's name is. And so I've joined the two together, and I've got it looking like this. I put it together like that the other day, and then it fell on the floor and smashed. Her arm fell off, her leg broke, and Caitlyn's gun broke. So what I've now done is glued them back together, but I've glued them together like this, and I'm going to paint them. Okay, I'm not doing a lot to start off with. I'm going to start off with some skin. I've sprayed this and I've glued it together. That is as much as I've done. I'll get going. I've had Vi for months, and I decided I wanted a Caitlyn. Caitlyn's not wearing the same uniform as I've got a picture of. My picture of Caitlyn, she's wearing that, which is the same, but the bottom half, the legs are different. So I think I've got Caitlyn from the comic rather than from the series. So it's that. So there's no skin on show on the legs instead of that. Okay, so she doesn't need her legs painted. Vi is pretty much grey on the bottom of these boots to the whole of her trousers, and that are grey. Okay, I'm feeling this again. I've got a different style. Feeling that might be different. Hold on. Okay, set myself more of a challenge. This is the red coat. This definitely is the red jacket because it splits down on either side. So she needs a white vest on and she needs grey stripy trousers. Right, so grey stripy trousers. It's tempting to put her in knee-length breeches, but that's not her outfit. Can't see the soles of Caitlyn's shoes, so I'm just going to assume the red. That's rock, that's black, or it will be grey eventually, but it's base colour of black. If you can't see, don't worry, nor can I. No, this is very contrasting. I'm painting black onto dark reds. Really that accurate because this is so far all black. She's got, well, she'll end up with blue tinted shoes. Still not sure about that. Still thinking they might be best to be painted flesh coloured. And Vi has a white wife beater on. Of course she does. That's not stereotypical, is it? Is all the white. It's in both. Oh, her sleeves though. Gun or is that sleeve? Wherever it is, I don't think it's on both sides. Alright, she only has white fluffy lacy bits on one side. Okay, done. I know she's got a red coat on and she's already put sprayed red, but I'm just changing the redness. Add to this just to make it a bit brighter, and it's a very muted red. This is a much brighter red. Position so I can see. You may not be able to see it at the moment. Right, even harder bit now. Gold. It's not sticking. Different gold. Okay, let's do this. The sun's come out. That's terrible. Right, that's done. They can go in there, and I could pad that out. I was going to do this with milliput, but I thought I'd probably work with glue. First off, I'm going to glue this into there, like so, and then hold it. Now, the idea being, I'm going to try and fill up this space. I don't know if you get these in America, but in UK coffee comes in metal tins, and you get these lids. That's what this is, coffee pot lid. But they also fit exactly over tin cans. It's going to work. It's going to have to work because I've now stuck it in there. This is set, and I've just been spending the last 20 minutes trying to cut through the hot glue to cut the side away. I suppose scissors will do it. Oh look, how easy was that? Because it separates the pieces, doesn't it? No. It's fairly started. Well, there you go. Super glue accelerator, apparently. Yeah, 10 seconds and it's super glue. Oh my god, we found super glue that actually super glues. For some reason, super glue now takes like hours to dry. Here comes somebody to tell me what time is. What's the time, Solo? Okay. Clear Mod Podge for one. Oh god, didn't realise it was so full. Clear Mod Podge because we want this is around here, needs to be not dark. Leave that to dry. We're going to take Chimera for a look. Okay, we are just going to dollop on some brown paint as a base for this, like that. Did you know you put in, dolloping straightforward blobs of brown paint? And paint down the side here. Okay, last stages. And I've just noticed that both these colours are exactly the same colours. One's supposed to be sap green and one's supposed to be lively green. They look exactly the same. the green ooze, wasn't there, in Arcane? Let's go with some neon yellow. I don't have very many greens because I don't like them, so I do have green. It's kind of be made out of what I have. I'm not going out and buying neon green to do this. So that really should be the right colour. That's one side done. Oh, now it comes out green. That's the colour it's supposed to be. It's just a wash to tone down some of the whites because her top is far too clean. Yeah, that's better. Now this is weathering effect for the floor and stuff. Last thing, rust. Oh, how many times has she broken? Right, in order to keep Vi alive and her leg, I'm going to add a drop of hot glue there and there. Like that. Right, let that dry. I'm going to add some gooky green and pour liquid all over myself. Okay, that's dried. Now we're back with this green gook. Now you'll know, and I'll know, why the green goo glue is there. But anyone else? They won't. Well, I got there in the end. Caitlyn is from the comic book uniform, and Vi is from season 1 of the animated series. And in the end, the gloop had to be employed in order to make sure that Vi didn't keep breaking her leg. But in the end, another little addition to the ever-growing collection of figures and statues and things. Another shelf needed to put them somewhere. Or might kind of on the mantelpiece. Who knows? We'll figure it out in a minute. You'll probably see it as we finish. But I hope you like this. Hope this was fun and entertaining. Yeah, I will be back next time making something else, painting something, building something. Who knows? Something TTRPG kind of related, or somehow making something into it. But until then, I will see you anon. Bye. Right, where are we putting you? There we go. She's going on the mantelpiece with all the rest. Nothing more, nothing less. Maybe we'll extend the diorama a bit. I'll put that. In fact, I'm going to put it on top, on the windowsill, and hopefully, no, I'm not putting it on the windowsill. I'm putting it, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to lay it down. Yeah, I'm going to need to extend the base because that's not very stable.